What is up, guys? Welcome to this new POV drive. Today we're featuring a Golf Mark 7.5R with the Akrapovic exhaust. Big thanks to the owner for bringing the car out here for me to do a video with. Do check him out on Instagram, of which the Instagram is on screen right now. So let's see what the 7.5R is all about. But believe me, the exhaust is the big part of this car. Can you check for me? That's very good. Okay. Coupe. Nice. Yeah, they're really loud, eh? Sounds really good. I always say thank you in South Africa. It's very solid, bro. It's very solid.
With spaces.
Yeah.
So the ride is wide.
So it gives you more track.
Yeah.
So it balances even more.
Yeah.
Makes sense. Man.
Those pops are addictive.
Very addictive. Go too fast, the wind is too loud, so you can't really hear it properly.
That's good, yeah.
Oh, the sunroof is also up. Okay. Oh, those bubbles.
Wow.
Okay. I guess it was the sunroof.
Too much wind coming in.
Bubbles. I'm gonna try that. See if it works. Okay, the wind is too loud. Nah, it doesn't really work. It's too loud. It's too loud. Turn somewhere up here.
Yeah.
Okay. Wait, can you check if there's a little flashing red light? Okay, then I know it's recording. Okay. Just to make sure.
Yeah.
What summer? Yeah.
That one.
That one. That's
Yeah, it's hot now.
Oh my goodness. Okay, I can see from afar the side. Just
eating.
for this guy. Okay, good. Oh, a little storm. Quite busy out here, but onwards we proceed. I don't want to go too hard on the brakes.
Yeah. But I know it stops.
Yeah, I don't want to go all the way.
Yeah.
But yeah, I guess that's pretty much it. Really hoping you guys did enjoy this POV drive. And yeah, until next time, that's cheers from me.